If you've ever wondered how to know if someone is in another call on Messenger, this quick guide will clear it up in just a moment. Messenger does not directly show you someone's call status, so there isn't a visible badge or alert that tells you they're already on a call. But there is a simple way to figure it out by trying to call them. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to look for, what each result means, and how to tell the difference between someone being busy, offline, or dealing with a network issue. If this kind of tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick tech tips and social media guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Messenger on your phone or computer and find the person you want to call. Tap or click the audio call or video call button as you normally would. Now pay close attention to what happens next. If Messenger shows a message like "user is busy," that usually means the person is already in another call. This is the clearest sign that they are currently talking to someone else. On the other hand, if the call keeps ringing normally for several seconds, that usually means they are not in another call and they either haven't answered yet or they're just choosing not to pick up. If the call does not go through at all, then it may not mean they're on another call. It could also mean they are offline, have poor internet connection, have their phone turned off, or Messenger is having a temporary issue. So the key thing to remember is that Messenger does not openly label someone as being on another call. You have to use the call result as the clue. Busy usually means they're already on a call. Ringing usually means they're available. And if it fails completely, it's likely a connection or availability issue. If you want to be extra sure, you can try again later or send them a message asking them to call you back when they're free. Just keep in mind that you should always respect people's privacy and not repeatedly call someone if they seem unavailable. This method is simple, fast, and works because Messenger gives you indirect signals instead of a direct call status indicator. So the next time you're trying to figure out if someone is in another call on Messenger, just look for the busy message, the ringing status, or a failed call attempt. That's the easiest way to tell. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful how-to guides just like this one.